Abdali Grammar School. Primary Mathematics 2nd Lesson More Word Problems. Chapter number 9. Lecture number 1. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Dear kids, today we are going to learn about solving words problem. In previous videos, we have learned how to solve word problem sums of single step or single operation. Now we learn how to solve two steps words problems or multi-step word problems. Multi-step word problems are mathematical problems which has more than one operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. When solving word problems, firstly read the problem and visualize what is happening and clearly know about the given things. After that, you have to know what is found in the first. Then you are able to solve two-step words problems. Let's see the first example of two steps words problem. Kate has 152 stickers and Anne has 213 stickers. Kate buys 20 more stickers. Look at the first part of this question. How many stickers does Kate have now? And the B part is how many more stickers does Anne have than Kate now? Firstly, read the statement keenly and know what is given and which thing is found in the first. Has 152 stickers and Anne has 213 stickers. Kate buys 20 more stickers. In the first, we have to know how many stickers does Kate have now. Look at the solution. Dear kids, do you know what is given in this statement? Yes, it is given that Kate has stickers. How many stickers does Kate has? Yes, 152 stickers. And the next, what is given? Kate buys more stickers. How many stickers does she buy? Is equal to 20. As you know, the next step is what we have to find out. In this sum, we have to find out how many stickers does Kate have now. In this statement, we have to know the total quantity of Kate's stickers. So, when we have to find total quantity of things, do you know which operation we do? Yes, we do addition. 152 plus 20 is equal to 172. We can say Kate has 172 stickers altogether. Look at the B part of the statement. In this part, we have to find out how many more stickers does Anne have than Kate now. First of all, we have to know what is given. It is given that Kate has stickers is equal to 172. And the second thing, Anne has stickers. How many stickers does Anne has? 213. The next step is what we have to find out. We have to find out how many more stickers Thus Anne has. Which operation we do? We subtract Kate stickers from Anne stickers. Kate has stickers 172 and Anne has stickers 213. When we subtract 172 from 213, we got the answer 41. So we can say Anne has 41 more stickers than Kate. In this sum, we firstly find the total stickers of Kate's, that are 172. Then find the difference between Anne and Kate's sticker. Has 213 stickers. When we subtract 172 from 213, we got the answer 41. Let's go to the next example. Zini baked 100 strawberry tarts and 100 pineapple tarts. She gave 127 tarts away. In this statement, we have to find two parts. Look at the A part. A part is how many tarts did Zini bake altogether, and the B part is how many tarts did she have left. When we read the statement keenly, then we able to understand what we have to find out. Look at Zini and its tarts. Read the statement again. Zini baked 100 strawberry tarts and 100 pineapple tarts. Firstly, we solve the A part. What is the A part? A part is how many tarts did Zini bake altogether. Let's learn how we solve it. Look at the solution. What is given in this statement? Yes, it is given that Zini baked strawberry tarts is equal to 100 and pineapple tarts is equal to 100. What we have to find out? We have to find out how many tarts did Zini bake altogether. The next step is which operation we do. Now we have to find total quantity of tarts did Zini bake, so we do addition. 100 plus 100 is equal to 200. We can say she baked 200 tarts altogether. Now we solve the B part. What is the statement? The statement is Zini baked 100 strawberry tarts and 100 pineapple tarts. She gave 127 tarts away. Let's see which question is asked in B part. In B part, how many tarts did she have left? Now let's learn how we solve it. Solution. What is given in this statement? Yes, firstly it is given that Zini baked tarts is equal to 200 and then she gave tarts away is equal to 127. What we have to find out? We have to find out how many tarts did she have left. The next step is which operation we do. We have to find out the remaining quantity of tarts, so we do subtraction. We subtract 127 from 200. When we subtract 127 tarts from 200, we got the answer 73. Now we can say she has have left 73 tarts. In this sum, firstly, we collect the strawberry and pineapple tarts. That are 200. Then it is given that she gave tarts away 127. So we subtract 127 from 200 and get the answer 73. I hope you understand two-step words problem with these examples. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Abdali Grammar School Official, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.